Introducing Easyflex Safeflow EFV. Hi, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to our Safeflow EFV, short for Excess Flow Valve. Believe it or not, this small device can save you a lot of money and headaches. The water damage to your home caused by your water supply bursting or disconnecting can be enormously expensive and an unpleasant experience, to say the least. This small device called the Safeflow EFV can help you prevent these kinds of disasters. It's installed in between the supply stop and the fixture or appliance and has a unique valve that automatically activates when there is excessive water flow caused by a burst or disconnect. The Safeflow EFV can help prevent major disasters from occurring should your water supply line become compromised. It's also equipped with a convenient automatic reset feature where once the EFV is activated, it can be reset by simply reinstalling the device. We carry braided supply lines with a Safeflow EFV for faucets, toilets, dishwashers, washing machines, and ice makers. Here's an Easyflex tip to help you out. Although the Safeflow EFV can help when a water supply line bursts or breaks, it's much safer for the water supply line to never break in the first place. Make sure to check your supply lines periodically for breaks or cracks. If you see a break or crack anywhere on the tube, including the fittings, replace immediately. I hope this video has been helpful in learning about the Safeflow EFV and how it can help prevent water-related disasters in your home. Links for each item are in the video description below, and for product details, please visit our website, easyflexusa.com. If you still have any questions, our support line is open. And for more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.